Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I am telling about the interesting facts of India. Number 1. India never invaded any country in her last 10,000 years of history. Number 2. When many cultures were only nomadic forest dwellers over 5,000 years ago, Indians established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley, Indus Valley civilization. Number 3. The name India is derived from the river Indus, the valleys around which were the home of the early settlers. The Aryan worshippers referred to the river Indus as the Sindhu. Number 4. The Persian invaders converted into Hindu. The name Hindustan combines Sindhu and Hindu and thus refers to the land of Hindus. Number 5. Chess was invented in India. Number 6. Algebra, trigonometry and calculus studies which originated in India. Number 7. The place value system and the decimal system were developed in India in 100 BC. Number 8. The world's first granite temple is the Brihadeshwara temple in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. The shikara of the temple is made from a single 80-ton piece of granite. This magnificent temple was built in 5 years between 1004 to 1009 AD during the reign of Raja Raja Chola. Number 8. India is the largest democracy in the world, the seventh largest country in the world, and one of the most ancient civilizations. Number 10. The game of snakes and ladders was created by the 13th century poet Saint Gyandev. It was originally called Mokshapath. The ladders in the game represented virtues and the snakes indicated vices. The game was played with cowrie shells and dice in time. The game underwent several modifications, but its meaning remained the same, that is, good deeds to people to heaven and evil to a cycle of rebirths. Number 11. The world's highest cricket ground is in Chail, Himachal Pradesh, built in 1893 after leveling a hilltop. This cricket pitch is 2,444 meters above sea level. Number 12. India has the largest number of post offices in the world. Number 13. The largest employer in India is the Indian Railways, employing over a million people. Number 14. The world's first university was established in Takshila in 700 BC. More than 10,500 students from all over the world studied more than 60 subjects. The University of Nalanda, built in the 4th century, was one of the greatest achievements of ancient India in the field of education. Number 15. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to mankind. The father of medicine, Charaka, consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years ago. India was one of the richest countries till the time of the British rule in the early 17th century. Christopher Columbus, attracted by India's wealth, had come looking for a sea route to India when he discovered America by mistake. Number 16. The art of navigation and navigating was born in the river Sindh over 6,000 years ago. The very word navigation is derived from Sanskrit word navagit. The word navi is also derived from the Sanskrit word nav. Number 17. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. According to his calculation, the Sun taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun was 365.258756,484 days. Number 18. The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician Bodhaya, and he explained the concept of what is known as the Pythagorean theorem. He discovered this in the 6th century, long before the European mathematics. Number 19. Algebra, trigonometry and calculus also originated in India. Quadratic equations were used by Sridharacharya in 11th century. The largest numbers the Greeks and the Romans used were 106, whereas Hindus used this number as big as 10 to power of 53 with specific names as early as 5000 BC. During the Vedic period, even today, the largest used number is Tera, 10 to the power of 12. Number 20. Until 1896, India was only source of diamonds in the world. India produced 95% of world diamonds. This is a video. Please subscribe for more videos.